Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I will cover all battles in Islam. The first battle in Islam is Battle of Badr, जो कि रमज़ान में लड़ी गई 2 हिजरी 624 AD. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions radiyallahu ta'ala anhu were busy consolidating the Islamic state in Medina through the means in sources which were serving for wide propagation of all dawah on the one hand and for checking the destructive activities on the other. The Quraysh of Makkah could not tolerate the speedy and wide propagation of the religions, and the honor and regard obtained by the followers became the cause for the Quraysh to initiate an organized war against the believers. The great commercial caravan of the Quraysh under the headship of Abu Sufyan was itself a preamble to war against the believers. This was one of the biggest caravan of the Quraysh, in which about 5,000 dinars were generously invested. Abu Sufyan, the leader of the caravan, himself speaks about the generous investments of every individual of Makkah in this battle. He says that there was no man or woman in Quraysh who had not taken part in investing money in this enterprise. The profit of his commercial caravan had to be invested to wage the war against the Muslims at Medina. The Holy Prophet ﷺ was informed that the caravan led by the Abu Sufyan was on its way to Makkah for teaching a lesson to Quraysh. The Prophet ﷺ decided to intervene the business caravan so that the Quraysh may take it seriously and they may not dare to do injurious and inflicting activities in future. In the meantime, Abu Sufyan changed his route and reached Makkah through a different one. The army, comprising 1,000 warriors which came to support Abu Sufyan, was fully acquainted with the safe return of Abu Sufyan to Makkah. In spite of this, Abu Jahl and others, with the normal exception of Qurayshite chiefs, were full of zeal and continued to advance towards of Badr. Here, the Prophet escaped from the war was nothing but strengthened the ambition of the Quraysh one hand and to weaken the position of believers on the other. This is why the Prophet ﷺ and his companions radiyallahu ta'ala anhu opted to meet the disbelievers in the battlefield of Badr. Badr एक गांव का नाम था जो 80 miles away from Medina, जो मदीना से 80 miles दूर था. The battle took place at Badr on 17th Ramzan al-Mubarak, March 624 AD, in the second year of Hijrah. Abu Jahl, the chief opponent of Islam, was the commander of the war and the Quraysh were उनके पास 300 horse थे and 700 camels थे, beside the considerable number of 1,000 devoted warriors, and where total number of Muslims took part in this war 313, having only 2 horses and 70 camels थे. It was the first war between the believers and disbelievers, in which both parties invested all they could to get the victory of in this war. In the battlefield, Jange Maidan, the warriors of both parties saw much bravery. As a result, only 40 Muslims were lost in this war, while 70 of disbelievers, including their commander and some best-trained fighters, were killed, and a good number of enemies were made captive. The disbelievers had to face a very insulting defeat in this war. That is why the battle day has been declared as a Yom Furqan, the day which differentiated the truth from the false. The victory in this battle is the most inspiring and remarkable event in the history of combat. And disheartened the infield. On the other hand, the description of Encyclopedia Britannica is the adept catch the far-reaching effect of the victory and the Battle of Badr. It seriously damaged Meccan prestige while strengthening the political position of the Muslim in Medina and establishing Islam as a viable force in the Arabian Peninsula. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Take care.